I am gonna mix English and my language, Kinyarwanda, because I have something important to say. You hear me and hear me well. All of you motherfuckers on my fucking page, in my comment section, abusing me, saying, ese no munyarwanda, hey, nese gutya, ndabiyamye ku mama zenu, ndavuze ngo ndabiyamye nundi munsi mundebe mu maso. Do you understand? I am not one of those that you play with. Go play with your mama. I say go play with your mama. Don't come at me like that. Don't come at me anyhow, because I'm gonna fuck you up. I am not the one to shut up. I am not the one to keep my mouth closed, because I'm gonna unzip it and I'm gonna zip your ass, bitch. Who the fuck you think you're playing with? Literally, I cannot keep you guys away. Let me tell you something. Rwandans are not my target market. You're not my target market. Get that fucking away from my content. Keep away. You're literally all over my content. You can't even fucking type in English. Like, it's okay. But why is it about abusing me? Why is it about abusing me? And also, let me tell you something. N'abagabo mwe munyandikira muri DM zanjye munyandikira ibintu bidasobanutse muza nibigambo biri very disgusting kuri profile ufite umwana n'umugore. Sha nzajya ngo posting izo messages zawe, nshyireho ifoto yawe n'umugore wawe, nzagusenyera urugo, ntabwo nzarusenya, nimumenyere. N'ikinyarwanda mushaka kumvuga, reka ntibabwire, nzabakorera ibitangaza. You're not my target market. I appreciate those who support me genuinely, but if you come to abuse me off my fucking page that I have built from scratch, why is it about you Rwandans thinking that you can police everything? We are a country that is developing, not just for what the West can see, but mentally. You gotta develop mentally too. You can't come onto my page, a random young woman who has built herself from nothing to what I am today. I don't ask any of you to support my life or anything. I have been surviving from the roots. From when I was a little kid, I have lived on the streets of Kigali. I have survived. I have helped myself from the beginning until where I am today. Look at me. Do I look like I'm starving? Do I look like I'm fucking suffering? Why can't you fucking support your own? Why can't you fucking support your own? Why are you always gonna be fucking negative about your own? Mufite ikihe kibazo mu mutwe wanyu? Nta kintu na kimwe kigaragara neza mu maso yanyu. Ibintu byose ni ibibazo. Ni ibitangaza bitari no mu buryo bwiza. Rero reka mbabwire abanyarwandakazi, ngenda biyamye. Kandi reka mbabwire, niba ushaka kuza ukanzaho, if you want to support my business, support my fucking business. If you want to come and fucking abuse me, I'ma fuck you up, because I don't give a fuck, not even for a fucking minute. That's not me. Ntabwo ari njyewe Isimbi. Isimbi muzi mwanamenye guhera ku nshuro ya mbere. Ntabwo nigeze mpinduka, ndacyari wa wundi. So n'undi munsi ku mama zenu nta kibazo, ahantu hose njya muramforomo. Isha yewe we murankurikira kweli, murankurikira muri nk'inshishi, mwamutonze umurongo, nta namwe mushobora kundeka ngo mu mahoro. Ntabwo muri target market yanjye, please. Ntabwo muri target market yanjye. Niba udashaka kuza ngo supporting a business y'umuntu, umva my friend, mbona bishyize amafaranga yanjye, ubuzima bwanjye, imibereho yanjye, buri kintu cyose mfite muri njyewe ngishyira mu kazi nkora. Ntabwo ara, it's not fun. Ntabwo ari ibyishimo, it's work. Nkuko byuka mu gitondo nkajya gukora muri Eco Bank, my friend, niko mbyuka mu gitondo nkajya gukora akazi nkora. ariko byumva uko consuming ako kazi nkora niyo mpamvu ngakora kuko nakazi. Abazungu baravuga ngo if there is no demand there is no supply. So I do what I do because there is demand, so I supply to the demand. So why the fuck are you being so short-sighted? Why are you being so stupid? Why do you think you can police everybody on social media? Leave me the fuck alone. You wanna abuse me? I am gonna come for you and your whole. Everything that belongs to you, I'm gonna come for it. Don't fucking play with me because I'm not one of those. Isimbi. Mwamwumva ko abanyarwanda ufite ubwenge bwinshi. Muzi kuvugira ibyo muvugira ibiki n'ibiki. Reka mbabwire ama Gen Z. I was born in 2000. Navutse mu 2000. Maze imyaka 25 kuri iyi si. Yuko byumva. Ibintu byonyine nize mu buzima bwanjye. Ibintu nigishije, ibintu si yanyigishije. Naho ngeze mu buzima bwanjye. Niba nshobora kuba nibeshejeho nkigaburira nkikabura kimwe cyose mu buzima bwanjye nkeneye. Wananyiza wengegera. You low life piece of shit. You come to me and try to abuse me, harass me. Who the fuck you think you? Anyways, reka turekerera ahangaha. Ariko rero reka mbabwire. Mu bantu bose muzanaho umunwa. I am not one of them. I am not one of them, motherfucker. You come at me, I come at you hard as a fucking rock. I'm gonna hit you while it hurts, bitch. Don't fucking come at me like that because the fuck you think you're playing with? Isimbi.